Hey guys, welcome to another video of Quick Bites Revision, and today we're looking at recipes. So I'll pause the video and have a go at this question. Okay, so here are the ingredients needed to make 15 rich butter cookies. Joanne wants to make 60 cookies. She has 900 grams of butter. Does Joanne have enough butter to make 60 cookies? You must show how you get your answer. So I'm going to write this here. So 15 cookies. I'm just looking at butter for now. So for 15 cookies, she needs 250 grams of butter. Okay. We want to get to making 60 cookies. So I need to know what I'm multiplying by between here. Now, if you're not sure what to do to multiply, you can do division in the other direction. So if I do 60 divided by 15, I'm going to divide both by 5. So that becomes 12 over 3. And 12 divided by 3 is 4. So that means I have to multiply by 4 to go from 15 cookies to 60. So you do the same with ingredients. You times by 4. I'm going to do that on the side. 250 times 4. So 4 times 0 is 0. 5 times 4 is 20. 4 times 2 is 8. Add that. That's 1,000 grams. So he needs 1,000 grams of butter. Sorry, she needs 1,000 grams of butter, but she's only got 900 grams. So I'm going to say she does not have enough. She only has 900 grams and needs 1,000 grams. Now, this is really important. They've asked us a question, does she have enough? Okay, there's a question mark here. So you have to answer it. Say yes or no and explain why. So I've said that she needs 1,000 grams. She's only got 900. And my working out shows why she needs 1,000 grams. Great. If you got that correct, well done. If not, let's do a quick bit of revision. Okay. So the most important thing is if I still use this set of ingredients. Now, it doesn't matter how many cookies I'm trying to get to. So let's just say I've got 15 cookies. So for 15 cookies, I need 250 grams of butter, 200 grams of sugar, and 2 small eggs. Now, with proportion, whatever you're multiplying by, you do that everywhere. Okay, well, at the moment, I don't know what I'm multiplying to. Let's say I want to work out what 30 cookies will need. Well, I can see 15 to 30, that's been doubled and multiplied by 2. So everything is going to be multiplied by 2. So 250 times 2 becomes 500 grams. 200 times 2 is 400 grams. And then 2 times 2, becomes 4 eggs. Sometimes you might have to do that more than once. So let's say I didn't want 30 cookies. I actually wanted 90 cookies. So you can create little stepping stones for yourself. I can go from 15 to 30 to 90 if I can't go straight from 15 to 90. Because remember, this is a non-calculator paper. So to go from 30 to 90, I'm multiplying by 3. So 500 grams times 3 gives me 1,500 grams. 400 grams times 3 is 1,200 grams. And then 4 times 3 is 12 eggs. Okay, now when you're writing these, make sure you're doing them as a list. Sometimes you might need to show all of them. Sometimes, like the question we had, it was just one. Okay, but either way, draw your arrows to show what you multiply by to go to each ingredient. Okay, let's have another question. Here we go. Pause the video and have a go. Okay, so here are the ingredients needed to make 15 rich butter cookies. So the same ingredients. So 15 butter cookies. Joanne wants to make 80 cookies. So she has 900 grams of butter. So for 15 cookies, oh, sorry, I didn't change this on the question. It should be 20 cookies. So 20 cookies. It says it up here. So for 20 cookies, she needs 250 grams of butter. She needs to make 80 cookies. So to go from here to here, we're still just timesing by 4. So we times by 4 again, which is just 1,000 grams of butter. She does not have enough. She needs 1,000. Only has 900 grams. There you go, guys. Well done.